The situation in Haryana is worsening. In a fresh attack in the state, a mob attacked a mosque in Gurugram, killed one person and injured several others just past midnight. The violence came hours after clashes in Noor during a procession by the VHP and Bajrang Dal, which left 3 people, including 2 home guards, dead. A mob of close to 45 people fired at a mosque in Gurugram's Sector 57, subsequently setting it ablaze. The incident is said to have occurred between midnight and 1 am, with a mob carrying lathis charging at a local mosque in Sector 57. The mob began pelting stones and fired multiple rounds at the mosque, with some members of the group entering inside the mosque to attack those present there. Within a few minutes of the firing, the mosque was set on fire. Union Minister and Gurugram MP Rao Inderjeet Singh confirmed that there was an attack on a mosque in Gurugram in which 2 people, including the Imam, were shot. Yesterday, I spoke to the Minister of State for whom 20 paramilitary companies have been sent. News incident has had an impact in Gurugram as well. Yesterday, there was an attack on a mosque in Gurugram in which 2 people, including the Imam, were shot. 5 people have been detained in this case, he said. A first information report has been filed regarding the incident, the police said. The police identified the attackers, conducted raids at various places, and several of the accused were arrested, they said. Security around religious places has been strengthened. Both the police and administration are holding meetings with prominent members of the community to ensure peace, the police added. Internet services have been suspended in Sona, Pataudi, and Manesar areas. 4 people, including 2 home guards, were killed and at least 30 others injured in clashes that broke out between 2 groups in Haryana yesterday. The clash started during a religious procession in Haryana's Noor, adjoining Gurugram. The police said that the home guards were shot dead as a mob tried to stop the religious procession in Noor's Khedla mode, throwing stones and setting cars on fire. A 26-year-old man was killed late last night after a mob attacked the mosque in Gurugram as the violence spread to the neighbouring district, while the identity of the 4th man who died in the violence is yet to be ascertained. The Brij Mandal Jalabhishek Yatra, organized by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, was stopped by a group of young men on the Gurugram-Alwar National Highway.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.